My faithful viewers and friends of Travel TV channel, it's another edition of your program Cuisines, and today we are in the Opec City, the city of friendship in Limbe, and we have stormed the kitchen of Victoria Guest House, and today we'll have our cook Maso. I don't want to introduce on what she'll be preparing today, but it's a spectacular dish that is enjoyed by Cameroonians and Africans as a whole. I'm so excited to be here, and we'll be meeting Maso very shortly. She's just by my side. Let me call her into the scene. Mommy, come and join us. Good morning. I'm so happy to be with you today. So happy. You're welcome to the program Cuisines. Cuisines is a program on Travel TV channel, an online TV that has content mostly on tourism. So we move from one hotel to another, one guest house to another. We show people the kitchen, the wonderful menus that you cook. We take you to the rooms, the wonderful beds that they have, the wonderful resorts. I mean, it's all about leisure and pleasure. And so today we said while we're in Limbe, we should have a stop over here. And then I heard that you do one of the best pounded yam and okra soup. So we said we won't go without tasting. So I'm so happy to be here. Just take us straight away to the kitchen and tell us how all things have been made. So how long have you been cooking for Victoria Guest House?
I've been cooking for Victoria Guest House almost 3 years today.
Okay. And so before we get into what we are cooking today, what are some of the meals that you cook here often?
The main dishes is okra soup and gari, pounded yam and okra soup, or you can eat it with egusi soup. They will have different dishes like ero and gari, plantain and vegetable, yam and vegetable, or you can eat it with sauce. They will have chicken chips. You can eat chicken with rice. We have fresh fish, bar fish from sea. You can eat fresh.
Of course, we are in Limbe, yes. So we expect that the fish to be so fresh.
So you can eat the bar fish with other rice, plantain, or yam.
Okay,
sauce.
Even fried chips.
Yes, or dodo.
Okay. So let's go straight away to what we have. Tell us, what do we have here?
We have okra, meat, dry fish, pepper.
So this is yam flour.
Yeah, that's yam flour.
Yam flour.
Yes.
It's not actually that the yam has been boiled and we are going to pound. So we'll do the yam flour style.
Yes. They'll have palm oil, salt, and Maggi.
Okay. So can we start right away? Where do we start from? Making the pound, the yam flour, or we go directly to the soup?
I'll start with the okra soup, but I'll put water on the fire. Put it much salt, so don't put salt
much. Salt.
Yes. Then I'll put my.
Okay, a quick question. Why do you put? I see 2 slices of meat and 2 slices of smoked fish.
Yes.
Is it that everything is prepared already for a particular meal? I see it has already been ready-made.
Yes.
So why do you do this? It means you put the meat, do the fish already for one client.
Yes.
So when the client comes.
Yes.
I don't know, how does it work?
We'll put 2 slices of meat. We'll already packet it. There will 2 slices of fish, dry fish.
Okay.
So what we want to prepare now, we'll put all these things here. That is for 1 plate of the okra soup.
Okay. So everything here is for 1 plate?
Yes, everything is for 1 plate. Then we'll drop small oil. We use the palm oil.
Fresh palm oil. Where do you buy it?
In the Limbe market. We used to use the CDC, but now CDC is not available. That 1 day. So just we use this. So after that, we'll cover the pot. When the boil, I'll mix this egusi and put it inside there.
Let me have a look. So which quantity of egusi? Is this just a quantity for 1 plate of food?
No, I cannot put all the egusi.
Oh, you're not putting
much.
all?
Yes,
Okay,
it's much.
Ah, okay. This is the quantity that will go for 1 tin of soup.
Yes.
What about the crayfish?
I will not put the crayfish when the pot is almost ready. Well, I'll put the crayfish.
Okay, cooking tips. Why do you put the crayfish at the end?
You cannot put the crayfish at the end. You put the egusi first. When the egusi done, so you cannot put the crayfish where the egusi is not done. No, egusi stays more for done. So,
so I learned somewhere that cooking is not the ingredients, but it's the procedure.
Yes.
How true is that? Because if everything is already ground, why not just take the crayfish, put in the okra, and put everything
No, you cannot put them all at once.
Is it the process that makes it tasty?
No, not the process, but it depends. Because you cannot put this egusi nada. This water is not hot.
Why is it important for the water to be hot before you put the egusi?
But when I put the egusi, I will first put water here and mix the egusi. So when I put the egusi nada, that water is not hot. The egusi will scatter. So I want to come the long. So when it's done now, I will scatter it.
Okay, very important. Oh, that's what makes the egusi come out in lumps in the soup. Wow, okay. Can't wait to see the finished product. Why don't you cook much and keep?
Sometimes you cannot have customer. So when the food is sleep, you cannot give it next time. You cannot heat the food and give it to customer. It's not nice. So we have decided that when the customer comes, give his command to go and prepare the food and give it to the customer. We don't put pepper in the food because many people don't eat pepper. So we'll prepare
when the customer says he wants pepper.
No, when we prepare food, we want to serve to the customer. We have a small container, put the pepper inside and put it beside the customer. The water is small, so I'll add the water.
Why is it important to use just warm water?
You cannot use cold water. If you use cold water, it will not be nice.
Okay.
Yes.
So where can someone get this?
Pounded yam.
Oh yes, the yam flour.
We bought it. We bought in the old market, Charlie stores. Because it's coming from Nigeria.
Yeah, because I know it's common in Nigeria.
Yes. So we bought it from Charlie. That's the only person that is selling it in this town.
In about 1 minute, the pounded yam, the yam flour that has been made will be ready and it will be served with the okra soup. So I will just allow Maso to complete what she's doing in the kitchen and then she serves me over there in the restaurant. See you soon. Maso has done a great job. Viewers of Travel TV, my fans and my followers, thank you so much for being with us from start to finish of this edition of our program Cuisines. We have had a very great meal and I've tasted it. It's so nice, wonderfully made by our mother back there in the kitchen, Maso, at Victoria Guest House, Limbe. And I know I'm mostly the only one enjoying the meals on the show because I do the tasting alone, but I'm not that selfish because I've given you the recipe. So you can go home, you can try it out. And if you don't have time to cook such a yummy meal for yourself, you can come over to Victoria Guest House, Limbe, and enjoy this yam flour that has been made in the form of pounded yam with okra and egusi soup with that has beef and smoked fish. Thank you so much and have a joyous day. See you next time. And please don't forget to subscribe on our channel. On YouTube is a travel channel. On our website www.tvtravelchannel.com and follow us on Twitter, on Instagram, and all our social media handles. Have a wonderful day. Love you.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, Share and click on the bell icon to get notification on our latest update.